How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing brief exercise 10-13 for the week 11 homework chapter 10 part 2 assignment. So what it's asking us to do is to create a balance sheet for Marne Incorporated for its current liabilities and its long-term liabilities. Alright, so first we're going to go to our Excel spreadsheet. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to date it, and that is for December 31st. 2017, like it says right here. And then now we're going to list our current liabilities. So the first current liability that it lists here is the notes payable, so we'll put that first. And it's in the amount of $45,000. Notice how it says due May 1st, 2018, so it would qualify as a current payable. A current liability. So then the next thing you put is your accounts payable, and that is for the amount of $353,250. Then the next current liability we have is our unearned rent revenue, and that is in the amount, like it says, of $540,000. And then after, we're going to put our FICA tax payable, and that is in the amount of $17,550. And then we're going to put our interest payable, which again are all current liabilities, and that is for the amount of $90,000. And then we'll put our income taxes payable right here, and that's in the amount of $7,875. And then the last thing we'll put is our sales taxes payable, and that is in the amount of $3,825. And then we will total it. So our total current liabilities is in the grand total amount of $1,057,500. Okay, so now we have the list of all of our current liabilities. Now we will list our long-term liabilities. So then the first long-term liabilities that it shows here is our bonds payable due in 2021 of $2,025,000. So we'll put that first. So bond payable of $2,025,000. Okay, and then what we'll do after that is we'll put less discounts on bonds payable. So we'll put that next, discounts on bonds payable, which in this case is in the amount of $92,250. Okay, and then we'll put then our notes payable next. Oh, but after that we're going to go ahead and subtract $2,025,000 from $92,250, and we'll get the total amount of $1,932,750. And then our notes payable, like I was mentioning before, is found right here. This one's a long-term liability because it's due in 2019, and it is for $180,000. So $180,000. And then we will put our total long-term liabilities, and then our total long-term liabilities, which we will be adding the $1,932,750 from the $180,000, which will be a grand total of $2,112,750. And then after we get now our current liabilities and our total long-term liabilities, we will now have just our total liabilities, which will be with $2,112,750 plus $1,057,500, we will have the grand total of 3,170,250. All right, perfect. So this is how you do that problem. Hopefully that all makes sense. You first list off all your current liabilities, total current liabilities, and then for your long term, you put your bond payable, less discounts on bond payable, which you'll get the total amount of 1,932,750. And then your note payable, due in 2019, which is your 180,000. You add those two together, you get your 2,112,750, and then you add this to this, which you'll get your 3,170,250. All right. Well, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Happy accounting.